Welcome, I'm Dr. Laura Cantor. I am your INT 211A instructor. It is a blessing to be able to journey alongside you. You've made a great decision to return to school to get your college degree. I cannot tell you that the path will be easy because it will not be, but I am very confident that the Lord has opened this opportunity for you. And when the Lord opens an opportunity, God's got this, and so do you. I'm here to encourage and to help give you a strong foundation for the rest of your journey at Colorado Christian. I do want to make you familiar with a couple of things. This is the Student Resources community, and you'll see that it's on the dashboard, a Blackboard. You'll click inside the community, and it's called CAG Student Resources. So this is inside the community itself. I'm going to highlight a few things that you will definitely need to use. And this is not just a one-time event of going in here and looking around. You'll access this information many times throughout your academic journey. One of those things will be the CAG Student Handbook. Please be familiar with policies and procedures before you get started on this journey. Being familiar with the academic catalog, the CCU bookstore, the Clifton Fowler Library is also going to be very important to you as you will research peer-reviewed or scholarly journal articles that will be necessary for citing academic work. You can locate the syllabi for your various courses that you take inside this link. There's some other resources such as financial aid and things of that nature, career assessments. Something else I want to point out is the APA 6th edition handbook. You will be using this resource many times and referencing it, so please make sure that you are able to locate it. The Blackboard Quick Guide, if you need help using Blackboard. Bible Gateway, a link to your CCU email, and I do encourage you to check that at least once per day when you're actively in a class, and if you need to submit a work order for any reason. Last but not least, as a Colorado Christian student, you have free access to Office 365 for students. I encourage you to click on this link, the Microsoft Office icon, for more details to see how you can get Office 365 without having to pay for it. Again, it is my honor to journey beside you. I have been an adult student, and I know that it's scary. I know you're fearful and probably anxious right now, and that's very common. However, I do want to say that God's got this, and so do you. Thank you for your time. God bless.